Hey everyone, welcome to the fundamentals of mesh modeling for Blender. This course has always been a paid course on CG Cookie. It's taught thousands of people how to model, and it's gotten over 65-star reviews. But today, we're bringing it to you for free. Just know that it's part of a much larger library of fundamentals on cgcookie.com that dive deep into each area of Blender. This type of comprehensive education is pretty hard to find on YouTube, so I hope you enjoy it even if the algorithm might not. If you want to watch this course ad-free, get access to the course files, ask us questions, or use our membership features like quizzes and exercises, you can join CG Cookie and get access to all of that, as well as all of our other courses like the rest of the fundamentals, creating photorealistic characters, making 2-hour mini projects, or mastering animation and rigging. This course was recorded about a year ago, so there might be some minor differences in the UI if you're using a newer version of Blender, but nothing too crazy. The fundamentals of how to model have not changed. So with that, I'll pass you on to Past Jonathan, and we'll get started with the course.